photograph, if you have started your concrete from this part, by the time you reach first layer, pouring first layer, when you reach here, you finish this corner, and when you come back to this corner, it is already at least 15 to 16 or 20, even many times 24 hours. So the first layer has already set. The first layer has already hardened. And then you put the second layer on that concrete. So it is an cold joint, horizontal cold joint. In any raft, horizontal cold joint is really risky. The structure engineer says a 5,000 cubic meter I cannot divide into parts. When we say it's a divide into 6 parts, divide that into 7 sections. They say no. I will get cold joint. I don't want joints. But if you divide a concrete in 6 parts or 7 parts, then you get vertical joints. Vertical joints are not that risky to a raft, but horizontal joints are really risky. So what is happening is nowadays the concrete technologies and the admixture companies, luckily admixture companies have come up to the expectations of the industry people, and now they can design admixtures which can give us a retention of even up to 12 hours or 15 hours or 16 hours. So what happens when you take a retention of 16 hours or 12 hours or 18 hours as per your requirement? The after 16 hours, when you come to this point, the concrete underneath has not set so far. So there you will avoid a cold joint. That is very important. We have done in Suroj Buildcon, we have done a raft which was 4.5 meters deep, 9,000. It was again a record-breaking raft. 4.5 meter depth. There we had planned about 16 to 18 hours of retention. Because the bottom layer, the one when you come to the second layer, by the time the bottom layer will set down. Okay. So maintain the uniform layer thickness. What is uniform layer thickness? What happens if your layer thickness is not uniform? If the thickness is very thick, the layer of concrete is very thick, you will not be able to vibrate it, and the heat dissipation will not happen, and the temperature heat of the concrete will stay inside. Thick layers trap heat, and trapped heat increases the cracking risk. So what happens is control layers improve compaction. I was talking of vibration. When the layers are uniform, you're making concrete in a uniform layers. You can vibrate them properly. The heat dissipation can happen properly. The layer should not be very thin or should not be very thick also. That again on the site you have to take the decision, or your concrete technologist has to take the decision on what thickness of layer you have to get. Now vibration discipline.